Hi, my name is Christian Barrett, and I'm a physical therapist as well as a clinical supervisor here at PTW Lansdale. And I'm coming to talk to you about concussions, how they relate to sports, their treatment, and overall management. Now, concussions have gained popularity in recent years, particularly due to the interest of the NFL in terms of research and treatment of them. Now, it's important to note that concussions do not just occur in the NFL. They occur across all levels of competition, and particularly there were 3.8 million concussions in sports last year. Now, we're talking just about sports now, but concussions can occur throughout a variety of situations, whether it's a motor vehicle accident, an injury in work, a slip or fall. And here at PTW Lansdale, we can treat no matter what the mechanism of injury was. Now, it's important to note that of understanding what concussions are, how they occur, what the symptoms are, and how we treat them. So it's important to have trained health professionals, and as physical therapists, we can participate kind of in that treatment and management of concussions. So to recognize some of the symptoms, some things you might see are mental fogginess, dizziness, nausea, sensitivity to light, sound, as well as sleep disturbances and behavioral patterns. An important thing to note about sleep disturbances, maybe just not sleeping enough, but you might notice that someone is sleeping too much, 16 to 18 hours a day or whatever it may be. So once we recognize these symptoms and we say, okay, a concussion has occurred, now we need to know how to treat them. And as physical therapists here at PTW Lansdale, we can treat these symptoms through a variety of different treatment patterns, whether it's vestibular rehabilitation, which is working on balance, which is usually affected post-concussion, working on cognitive therapy to help with the mental fogginess so someone can return to their full cognitive function, as well as a graded return to aerobic activity. Now, these are athletes for the most part that sustain most concussions, and we need a return to activity eventually. So it's important to monitor their symptoms, monitor their blood pressure, monitor their heart rate, so that we can safely get them back on the field, on the ice, or on the court, wherever it may be. So as physical therapists, we do play an integral part of managing these concussions. So here at PTW Lansdale, we are equipped and ready to get you back on the court or ice, like I talked about, or back to your job as a factory worker, or just back to your daily life doing activities that you enjoy.